Hello students, myself Rohini Athre. My subject is biology. Sri Neminath Jain Secondary and Higher Secondary School, Chandwad. In our previous video, we start our next chapter, cell structure and organization. In this chapter, we have learned about the various cell organelles. Just look at. You may revise this. You have learned about the cell theory, multicellular and unicellular organisms and their meanings with examples, size of cells, shape of cells, animal cell, plant cell, structure of cell, various cell organelles. We start with the plasma membrane. Second is cell wall, nucleus, structure of nucleus, then cytoplasm, endoplasmic reticulum, types of endoplasmic reticulum and their function, Golgi body, network or association of Golgi body with endoplasmic reticulum and nucleus, lysosome, vacuoles, mitochondria, plastids and types of plastids. First is chromoplast, second is leucoplast and third is chloroplast. The next cell organelle is centrosome and the last one we have learned in previous video, that is cytoskeleton. In our today's video, we have learned about the difference between the prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Here these are the certain comparison points in between the eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell. In prokaryotic cell, nucleus is undeveloped, while in eukaryotic cell nucleus is well developed. Then in prokaryotic cell only one chromosome is present, while in eukaryotic cell more than one chromosomes are present. In prokaryotic cell membrane bound cell organelles are absent, while in eukaryotic cell membrane bound cell organelles are present. The size of prokaryotic cell, it ranges from 0.5 to 5 mu m and in eukaryotic cell it is more and it varies from 5 to 100 micron. Example from prokaryotic cell is bacteria and blue-green algae, and in eukaryotic cell all the organisms from eukaryote. Here next difference in between the plant cell and animal cell. Question may be asked, what is the differentiate between the plant cell and animal cell? Animal cell, it is small in size, while plant cell is larger in size. Cell wall is absent in animal cell and cell wall is present in plant cell. In animal cell, plastids are absent. In plant cell, plastids are present. In vacuoles, vacuoles are smaller in size and less in number, while in plant cell, vacuoles are larger in size and more in number. In animal cell, centrioles are present, while in plant cell, centrioles are absent. Here, few comparison point in between the plant cell and animal cell. Here, first is serial number, second is part or cell organelle, and in third and fourth row there is either they are present or absent, which is given. First is cell membrane. In both cell they are present. Cell wall is present only in plant cell and it is absent in animal cell. Nucleus is present in both cells. Nuclear membrane is present in both. Cytoplasm is also present in both cell. Plastids are present only in plant cell and they are absent in animal cell. Vacuoles are present in both the cells but smaller in plant cell and larger in animal cell. Okay. Here homework is there for all of you. Identify this diagram and give its number. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 12 numbers. You have to mention the label for the diagram in sequence. You may skip the number and you may directly note down the, you may directly label the cell organelle. Then the next diagram, you have to identify this diagram and you also label the diagram in a sequence, or you may skip the number and label the diagram or label the cell organelle directly.